Hello, this mini lecture is on Gale opposing viewpoints. It's brought to you by Mrs. Cole and Ms. Samsky in Warwick High School's library, Newport News Public Schools. You're going to access this website from Warwick High School homepage. You're going to Google Warwick High School, select library at the top. And if you are using Newport News databases outside of school, you're going to need usernames, passwords. So you may want to take a picture of this and save it to your device. We're going to be talking about opposing viewpoints today, how to use that database. Your search box is right here. I'm going to type in artificial intelligence and I'm going to use my drop-down menu to choose in healthcare. It's showing results for all content types. I want academic journals, so I'm going to select that to filter. I'm going to choose the first one, but I want you to know that all of these are peer-reviewed. So that is a good thing when you're doing academic research. Databases, remember, are already through the CRAP method, so you don't need to be worried about verifying anything. They are already vetted for you. I'm going to click on this. I want to show you that the citation tool is right here. We want to avoid plagiarism by citing our sources. We're going to change our format for citations to APA because that's what's used in the sciences. This is the format for it. I can select it, and now I'm going to copy it to wherever I have my works cited or bibliography page. Right. And as the great Albert Einstein once said, the only thing that you absolutely have to know is the location of the library. So please do not hesitate to stop by and make use of this invaluable resource. Thank you for taking the time to actively participate in this mini lecture. And until next time, Mrs. Cole and Ms. Samsky at Warwick High School wish you happy researching.